Hello friends, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel. I'm back with new innovative videos. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as face detection using Python, blinking of eyes using Python, then smiley face using Python, then age prediction using deepface library using Python, then facial emotion recognition using FAIR library of images, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. Today's video is enhancement of previous video of HSV image. I will tell HSV image about in brief. HSV is an alternative representation of RGB model. It gives better performance than RGB as compared. So first of all, we will see the HSV range through program. This is all about the program, Python file. Now I will execute the program. Here my image is coming and webcam, and this what I will do here, this will become blank. This is all about HSV. Then what I will do, I will increase the again bit blank. Then I will again shortly decrease. Then if I decrease this, then I will, now it is blur is little bit less. Now okay, now this is there. Now it is coming blank. Yes, now I will, here rectangle is coming. Now here, yes, I successfully done with HSV image range using Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.